stuck in here, and someone help me get away. 5, 6, 7, 8, time is just a hoax in a colored world of characters and family jokes.
You must think that you're dreaming.
Just tell me what you're scheming.
You look like you've seen a ghost, but you're lucky to have such a gracious host like me.
I'm scared to lose myself here,
But there is nothing to fear.
I can't take it anymore. Is that an exit door?
Just your imagination.